One of the things as I get into my hobby further and further is I'm constantly reminded of how much I love the backstories on some cars. Chris had probably one of the best ones I'd heard in many years.
This car is very special. I feel like it was meant to be mine, and I'm going to bring it back. It was the first car I ever looked at when I turned 16. This is 1980. And I didn't buy the car then because it was so rough. And through fate or destiny or what have you, it found its way back in my life, and I bought the car 25 years later and didn't realize it was the same car until I started looking for some telltale signs.
Same car, same missing chunk out of the hood, all the identifying marks that showed him that was the same lemon twist yellow AAR 4-speed Cuda he passed on.
And then I realized, the light bulb went on. This was the exact same car I looked at when I turned 16 and didn't buy then.
This car's a numbers car. It's all original. It's got the original motor transmission, broadcast sheet, fender tags. It's a phenomenal project, and I'm honored that he chose us to do the restoration after this many years.
Usually it's heartbreaking to see him go, but this time it's a good feeling because I know it's coming back.
It's a priceless gem. I mean, maybe you could put a number on it, but how do you sell a dream?